Hey everybody, today we're in a GMC Canyon. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855982. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see this white covering here and under here. You want to peel that cover off before you install the mount, and that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, always make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach on one of the center vents here. We recommend all the way on the right-hand side so that you don't block the screen. The first lip is going to be basically this hard plastic outer edge of the vent. And we're going to take the lower lip here, which is the one that's kind of shaped like a hook. And we're just going to hook that over this hard plastic edge. And while you're holding it in place with one hand, then you can basically just press on the top of the mount with your thumb until the upper lip is in place. Now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.